Lana Green Jewelry presents itself as a 35-year-old established jewelry store, currently offering a massive 80% off closing sale, but when you dig deeper, the story doesn't seem to match up with the facts. The first red flag is the website itself, which feels generic and lacks the professional polish you'd expect from a long-standing brand. Despite claiming decades of experience, there's no substantial online presence, no verified social media profiles, no traceable customer base, and no public record of the business operating for that long. The founder photo seems questionable, and there's no clear background or business information to confirm who is actually behind the store. The domain was recently registered, which contradicts the narrative of a business that's been around for 35 years. On top of that, many of the product images look like they've been taken from other sources, and the customer reviews feel either vague, repetitive, or too perfect to be real. Add to that the usual scammy tactics like countdown timers, phrases like almost sold out, and unclear return policies, and it starts to paint a picture that raises serious doubts. That's not to say every deal is fake or every buyer will get scammed, but there are enough warning signs here to make anyone cautious. With so many legitimate jewelry brands out there, it's worth questioning whether Lana Green Jewelry is genuinely trustworthy or just another cleverly packaged trap in the sea of online scams.